Hi, I'm OIF Vet, and today we're going to be reviewing the Blazer 9mm Luger 150 grain full metal jacket. They are the aluminum cased round. Pull these out so you can see. So we're shooting and doing a review of these. These were the cheapest rounds at my gun store around where I live, and they come in 50 in a box, and so we're going to be shooting them out of my Glock 34 I'm going to load 10 in, and then I'll shoot the rest of the 5 that are still in there. Alright, we're going to be shooting at this mound of debris, sand, dirt, everything else, and I have some few targets set up in a safe direction. I live in the country and no one lives behind me. So that was shooting the Blazer 115 grain bullets, the 9mm, and there's 50 in there. Like I said, I've shot that entire box today, and there was no malfunctions whatsoever. Like I said, this is an aluminum case, so the only downfall is you can't reload it. As you can see, everything got shot. And it's not like a hollow point where it's going to explode stuff. I say explode, but put a bigger hole in things. However, you fill things with water and it's going to come out the back in a bigger hole. So, that's that. They're pretty good, cheap. $8.99 for a box of 50 for 9mm in these days is cheap. And that's how much I paid. Alright, thanks. Subscribe, leave a comment, like, and share my videos. Thanks. God bless.